Ghostbuster. Ghost Trackers, tonight at 7.
I'm Richie Rich.
Hey, Richie, what's that?
It's a wishing machine.
Richie Rich needs a wishing machine?
Apparently so.
Oh, is the rich boy not happy with his cool snowmobiles, his rock star costume, and his fire-breathing robot?
Certainly not.
He's even got a human pinata?
Richie Rich should be ashamed of himself.
Exactly. What is this kid, a spoiled brat?
That's one of my best qualities.
Well, I don't want to be your friend anymore.
Oh, come on, sure you do.
All right. But I want...
Your attention, please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully. This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.
There's lots of fun at the Whirl-Around Playground.
The Whirling Playground. The littlest catch up and you.
The Whirl-Around Playground comes with 2 pets. Other pets sold separately. Adults